of Dawn is a 2D survival adventure game about a knight who becomes trapped in a mysterious and challenges. The main objective is to survive and reach the finish line across 3 different levels. As the player progresses, enemies become stronger and more numerous, requiring proper timing, strategy, and quick reflexes to succeed. Throughout the game, the player uses a sword to defeat enemies and earn points that represents performance while also navigating platforming sections that require careful jumping and movement across different ground areas. Overall, Forest of Dawn is a survival challenge that tests combat skills, patience, and decision making as the player moves through each level toward the final goal.
So, welcome sa aming laro, Night Forest of Dawn. So, ganito siya laruin. For movements, left and right button, space for jump, and W for attack. So, yan. Kung saan nyo gusto papuntahin, doon nyo nabibintahin. Depende kung left or right button. And for jump naman is space. And then, pag may nakita kayong kalaban, need nyo silang talunin. Click nyo lang yung W button for attack. And then, sa scene na yan is need nyo patayin yung kalaban dyan sa baba para bumaba yung ground na kailangan tungtungan niya para makapunta sa upper part ng laro. So, kukulik yung heart para sa additional life points. And then, yun nga, bumaba na yung ground. And then, pag malapit na siya sa second round is mayroong boss kayong tatalunin. Need yung talunin para makapasok sa next round. And by the way, kada level up ng round is pahirap ng pahirap yung mga kalaban. So, ganun lang. Need lang patayin yung mga enemies para bumaba yung ground para makapunta sa upper part ng laro. And then, kalaban ulit na papatayin. Tapos, kukuha lang ng heart para sa additional life points. So, yan, boss wave. Tatalog din lang para makapunta sa susunod na level. So, ganun lang. Pag may mga kalaban, is need patayin para bumaba yung ground. And then, sa mga boss, need din patayin para makapasok sa susunod na round. And sa mga life points naman, need silang kunin para naman madagdagan yung life points nila at para hindi agad sila matalo.
Mechanics. The game has a basic movement system where the player can run and jump across different platforms. It also has a sword combat system where the player needs to defeat enemies to progress in the game. Enemies only move when they detect the player, and once detect, they will approach the attack. The game has 3 levels and difficulty increase as the player advances. There is also a point system where the player earns point every time an enemy to defeat. Asset. The game uses a knight character, spirit, and as the main player. It also includes enemy, monster, spirits as opponents. The background is designed with a forest theme to match the concept of the game. Platform and ground tiles are used to build the level design and paths for the player. Code explanation. The game is developed using Unity, script, and handle player movement, combat, and enemy behavior. The movement script controls running and jumping. The combat script handles sword attacks and detects when an enemy is hit. When an enemy is hit, its health decreases until its defeat.
Sa tingin mo maganda ang aming lara?
Maganda siya.
Tapos anong mahirap ba o madaling aming lara?
Sakto lang.
Tapos ano yung favorite scene mo sa sa nilaro mo?
Nakikipaglaban.
Tapos ano yung sa tingin mo pwedeng improvements or additional sa aming lara?
Levels. Dapat dagdagan ng level.
Salamat. Sa nilaro mo nag-enjoy ka ba?
Oo.
Tapos if kung i-rate mo ang laro namin out of 10,
9.
9. Tapos ano sa tingin mo yung additional na pwede mo naming i-improve, ganun.
Dagdagan nyo ng maraming kalaban pa.
Tsaka
Tsaka
levels.
mga levels.
Night Force of the Dawn is an exciting survival action game that challenges players to survive in a dangerous forest filled with enemies and obstacles. The combines combat, exploration, and survival mechanics, allowing players to control a brave knight as they fight enemies, earn points, and progress to 3 increasing difficult levels. With it is a simple controls, health system, scoring system, and survival timer. The game provides an enjoyable and challenging experience for students, teenagers, and casual gamers. Thought strategy, quick reflexes, and determination. Player must overcome the danger of the course forest and successfully reach the end of the journey. Overall, the game aims to provide entertainment while enhancing player decision making, timing, and problem solving skills.